Hello, friends and strangers on the internet. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with a coffee request. Thank you so much to the person who donated to my coffee and who is supporting my channel. I appreciate you very much. We are checking out a Larkin Poe song. Another one. I've checked out several Larkin Poe songs. So far I've lost track, and they've all been wonderful. Today we'll be checking out their song, "Summertime Sunset," and it's going to be coming from the Toyota USA channel. I'm This seems to be presented by Toyota and Sirius XM, hashtag not sponsored. I'm just letting y'all know that if you would like to check out more of Larkin Poe's music, I suggest that you check out the second link in my description, because the first link in my description will be the video I will be reacting to today. Alrighty, so again, we are checking out Larkin Poe and their song "Summertime Sunset," presented by Toyota and Sirius XM. Seems to be under another title, "Sounds of the Road." Makes me wonder if this is going to be the kind of music you would listen to while driving. I don't know. But let's jump into this. Y'all ready? I am. Let's go. I'm feeling like everybody in that crowd right there. Oh my goodness, this is very, very catchy. It's very groovy. I think the official musical word for it is it has swing, because it's got like a rhythm to it that's like that. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm so sorry I haven't learned their names yet, or at least I haven't like memorized them yet. But the lady who's singing, I love her voice so much, so much. I love the way she just like goes from like low notes to high notes. It's so pleasant. It's so pleasant. I'm not quite following all the lyrics, but it seems to be about a girl, about a woman, and I dig it. Digging the slide guitar. I took it back about 5 to 10 seconds. Let's go ahead and keep going.
Sweet cherry pie, so the mama got you on my mind. She speaks in a whisper, silence 22. A destruction in a fur coat, trains her eyes on you. A bruise is her color, she'll never break the skin. Like a first time cigarette, she looks you and she uses it. So in the summertime.
You know what? Every single time I reacted to a song by Larkin Poe, I focus so much on these two front women. I really do need to like shout out this drummer over here, and then like this bass guitarist over here. They are really like holding this really great rhythm along with them. Like that bass line is so good. The drumming is just like really easy to move to, and I don't know if these are the same guys that are always with them or what, but I tend to always focus on the women in the front, and I just wanted to like take a moment to appreciate the drummer and the bassist. They're really laying down a really nice beat for this, and I'm really enjoying it. Anyway, let's keep going.
Like a first time cigarette, she looks you and she uses it. So in the summertime, so long as you on my mind. Swing on sweet cherry pie, so the mama got you on my mind.
okay, but like I want to go back and hear a little bit of that again. That was fun when they were like playing together. That was really really pretty. That was so pretty. I'm sorry. I no comments other than I just want to go back and hear that again. Sorry, not sorry. I keep forgetting I'm supposed to be like pausing and reacting occasionally. This is so so good. Like I'm like really lost in it. I am gonna have to read the lyrics afterward because I have no idea what's going on. I'm just really lost in the musical, like the composition of it, the music of it, the way it all is just coming together. It just sounds so so good. Okay, I'm taking it back a little bit. I really love her singing voice so so much. Oh my goodness. Let's keep going. Oh my gosh. They look like they're having so much fun in that performance. That's something I really like about this group. Is they always look like they're having a really, really good time while they're performing. Or even in, well, have I seen a music video by them? Honestly, I can't remember. I've reacted to several of them, and I really can't remember if I've watched any like music videos that weren't like performance videos. I really can't remember honestly. But oh my gosh, what I do remember is they always look like they're having a lot of fun. Except the first one. The first reaction I did, that was a very somber song, but that's completely different. But like every other song I think I've reacted to has been very, very fun. Just fun. Like it's fun to watch them. They look like they're having fun. I am definitely gonna have to look these lyrics up because I did not catch what the song was about. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the recording and do that, and then come back with my final thoughts. All right, so it definitely was about a woman. That's so awesome. It's very, very like Kind of simple, although very poetic in the lyrics actually. And wow, just musically really really fun. Just definitely fun. I love the idea of taking the idea of like a summer love, but like personifying it and making her like summertime. So like hot, but like in a completely in multiple senses, like hot as in how she looks, hot and hot like to the touch metaphorically. Like I don't know, I just love the idea. It's very very poetic, especially just the idea of taking the idea of a summertime love and turning that into an actual like personified idea. I think that's really really cool. Or at least that's what I'm assuming is what's going on here, because a lot of the ways they are describing this woman uh, are are related to things that have to do with summertime, or like being hot and or burning and things like that. Like I just think that's really really cool. I really like that. It's very very fun song. Thank you again to the person who suggested this song on my coffee. I do appreciate you and your support for my channel, and everybody who's made it this far in the video. I appreciate you. Not everybody does, because I sometimes talk a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Again, if you would like to check out more music by Larkin Poe, please check out the second link in my description. The first link will be the song I just reacted to. So if you would like to check out more by Larkin Poe, click that second link in my description. All right, I'm going to go ahead and end the video now. See y'all in the next one. Bye for now.